first of all, I would like to thank Mansi for giving me this last minute opportunity to attend this event, this workshop, and big what I can say. And one more thank you to Urjita and Mansi for this wonderful session on LinkedIn. I was having my LinkedIn account from last 1 year. The last I used it 6 months back, and today I used it again, and I found it like I can do a lot of things on LinkedIn, which are very much needed for my business and even for my personal growth also. And I'm sure I will extract a lot of benefits from this LinkedIn session actually, and I recommend everyone, at least those who are not using LinkedIn for their professional growth, they must have this session, and then they must have their LinkedIn account. They should use it very frequently. All the very best to Urjita and Mansi for this venture, and let's hope that it will keep going every month-on-month basis. Thank you very much.
Okay, so my name is Rajen Shah and my company name is DreamFX, and I attended this seminar, 1-day seminar training for LinkedIn, and it was a great experience. I learned a lot of tools, in-depth LinkedIn, and I thanks to Mansi and Urjita, and I recommend everyone to attend this kind of workshop. Even in 1 day we learn a lot of things, and now I'm using all the tools in depth of LinkedIn. I'm looking forward for a lot of benefit from LinkedIn. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Pranav Savre, and my company's name is Mimosa Technologies. I have a LinkedIn account 2 to 3 months ago, but I never used to that. I feel like it's like common Facebook and Instagram like that. So after attending this workshop, I get to admire, I get to know how LinkedIn is very useful for my business, for everyone's business actually, not only for me. And the way of convincing, the way of presenting, I just liked it. I just liked it very much. And basically LinkedIn is the digital platform, digital marketing, the digital resume of individual, of your company, and there are many tools. The other matters it's paid or unpaid, but there are many tools are available on a LinkedIn, and all that tools are get prefaced to me by Urjita and Ms. Savant. Yeah, so I enjoyed this session very much, and also the way of you can say the convincing power, the way of giving the throwing knowledge. I just enjoyed this, and thank you very much for this wonderful session, and warming you the best of luck for your next sessions and the events. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, both Mansi and Urjita. So basically, I don't know about more. I don't use LinkedIn so much, so I came to know more features about LinkedIn. More features about LinkedIn and what the uses of LinkedIn, which will be helpful for my company. So it is really a great workshop. So it is very, this is more interesting one. So rather than it is not boring and all. So we are getting, and they are also guiding us, both of them, when we are stuck in somewhere. So I will recommend others to also participate in the LinkedIn workshop if it is there in the next time. Thank you very much.
I'm Sonia Thakkar, business English course designer as well as a voiceover artist. English language has changed not only with the past decade, but more so because of the internet and the social media. LinkedIn in particular being a professional platform, we need to be able to leverage this particular tool much more efficiently. What I appreciate of the workshop today that Urjita and Mansi have conducted is the hands-on process There wasn't too much explanation, but we were actually guided step by step through the different aspects of the LinkedIn platform, and I'm much more comfortable with the tool now. I also find that this is definitely going to help me in my own personal, professional way in which I design the courses, because many of my students are much younger than I am and much easier with the internet than I was in the past. So wonderful, and more power to Mansi and Urchita.
Hello, I'm architect Prachi Patrikar. My company name is Patriarch Designers. We are into field of architecture and interior designing. Today I attended the workshop conducted by Mansi and Urjita, and the workshop is excellent. It gave me a lot of insights about LinkedIn account. I had a LinkedIn account for a few years, but I was not able to use it. But I hope with their guidance now I'll be able to use it for my business growth. A lot of tips, a lot of insights, and they have a lot of knowledge about the in-depth knowledge about LinkedIn they have, so I'll recommend their services to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.